Skincare can feel confusing. There are so many products: cleanser, serum, sunscreen, moisturizer, and most people don't know what to use or when to use it. So in this video, I'll explain every important skincare product, what it does, when to use it, and the key ingredients inside it. Let's start with the basics. First, cleanser. A cleanser is used to remove dirt, oil, sweat, and pollution from your skin. You should use it twice a day, once in the morning and once at night. If you have oily or acne-prone skin, look for ingredients like salicylic acid. It helps clean your pores and reduce breakouts. If your skin is dry, look for ingredients like glycerin or ceramides. These help keep your skin soft and prevent dryness. Next, moisturizer. A moisturizer helps your skin stay hydrated and protects the outer layer of your skin. No matter your skin type, dry, oily, or combination, you still need a moisturizer. Look for ingredients like hyaluronic acid, which helps your skin hold water, and ceramides, which strengthen your skin barrier. Use moisturizer after cleansing, both in the morning and at night. Now, sunscreen. Sunscreen protects your skin from harmful UV rays. These rays cause tanning, dark spots, and early aging. You should use sunscreen every morning, even if you stay indoors. Choose at least SPF 30. Common ingredients include zinc oxide and titanium dioxide, which physically block sunlight, and chemical filters like avobenzone, which absorb UV rays. Next, serums. Serums are lightweight products with concentrated ingredients that target specific skin concerns. For example, niacinamide helps control oil and reduce acne. Vitamin C helps brighten your skin and improve dullness. You should apply serum after cleansing and before moisturizer. Next, exfoliators. Exfoliators remove dead skin cells and help your skin look smoother and brighter. There are two main types. AHA, like glycolic acid, works on the surface of the skin. BHA, like salicylic acid, works deeper inside the pores. You should use exfoliators only 2 to 3 times a week, usually at night. Using them too often can damage your skin. Now, face masks. Face masks are used once or twice a week for extra care. Clay masks help absorb excess oil and clean pores. Sheet masks provide hydration and make your skin feel refreshed. They give temporary results, but they are useful for maintenance. Now, let's quickly understand the correct order. In the morning, cleanser, serum, moisturizer, and sunscreen. At night, cleanser, serum, and moisturizer. And exfoliation can be added a few times a week. The most important thing to remember is this: you don't need to use everything. Start with the basics, understand your skin, and then slowly add products based on your needs. That's how you build an effective skincare routine.